Hello and welcome. Today I'm offering free design tools, free digital paper downloads, and digital embellishments for your scrapbook sentiments, collage work, to create your own school supplies, for a birthday bunting banner, and for do-it-yourself projects. You can even make these you can even market and sell these digital downloads online to create passive income, like on Shopify. I'll show you these free digital downloads, which are perfect for baby shower cake toppers, card creations, to make scrapbook projects, or for your junk journal. You can dress these up by adding glitter or rhinestones, or just use them as is. First things first, just go to my blog, All Things Positively Positive. I will post the link below in the description box, so you can just click the link. Then use the magnifying glass, the search field, and type in free scrapbook, or you could type in free bookmarks, and there you'll find a variety of free graphics. Then just scroll through the images. You'll see it says 100% free, and some are free for personal use and for commercial use as well. Just look for the text to confirm this. First, we have the free daisy clip art in lime green with dots and the rhinestone center. Great as a scrapbook or card embellishment. Then we have the daisy frame, which works well as a tag for gifts or a label if you print it on sticky paper. Then we have the pink version, perfect for a little girl's baby shower as a cake topper or for do-it-yourself school supplies. The tag in the pink and beige, and then we have the blue version as well. And we also have this pretty daisy flower border. Again, these are all 100% free. And then there's the polka dot pattern paper, originally created on 8.5 by 11 inch size. The lime green paper with dots, the blue dot patterned paper that coordinates well with the above shown items. And now we'll just hop on over to a new page. Here I'm going to show you the free flyer letterhead chevron daisy tag. Anyways, it's another 8.5 by 11 inch size, so you can download this and use it as you like. And we also have 10 free pretty diamond frames digital download. These frames have pretty glitter leaf accents on top. First is the black version, then we have the blue, the green, the pink, magenta, purple, red, and blue again. It's more like an ocean blue. And all you need to do is just tap on the image, and then you can press your finger and hold to download the image. Click on download the image, and then just go through the process, whatever it is on your phone. continue as shown. I'm not going to go through that whole process with you because I'm sure you know how to do that. And then we have a couple of cupcake stickers, I guess you could call these. Oh, and there's a lovely quote from Colossians 2:9-10. For in him dwelleth all the fullness of the Godhead bodily, and ye are complete in him, which is the head of all principality and power. I like to insert Bible quotes here and there with my free graphics. So these are great for cake toppers or for baby shower items. You can use all of these on WordPress, Twitter. You could Twitter about them, Facebook, and for all your paper crafts. We also have 2 cupcakes with canopy. These are great to make logos from, and these have cute little cake pops sticking out of them. And then we have some rose flower background paper. We have the pink on pink with dots, the pink on white with dots, and this one I like to call the pink on cat instead. Anyways, that's it for today. If you want to use these for commercial use, just check for the text that actually says free for commercial use. Please subscribe for more freebies and giveaways, and share with your friends and family. And please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.